Land Ho Adventures, a family of 4 living in the Cayman Islands, sharing our journey of adventure, exploration, and simple living. In our last video, I brought you into our backyard where I shared with you our tropical garden. This week, we're back in our garden planting pineapples, doing some DIY home improvements, baking, and pruning our famous Jamaican apple tree. All right, guys, so I'm headed outside today to work with the pineapple suckers, and I've been wanting to replant them for a while now. I just haven't had much time. This one is actually growing from inside the soil, so he shouldn't be too hard. He's come right off. It's come right off. That's beautiful. That one came out fantastic. So I'll show you what I'm going to do with that now. So this one here is actually grown really nice because it was growing out of the soil. I'm not going to do too much to it except plant it into a pot of soil. Okay, for this pineapple sucker I'm going to use a smaller pot because I don't have too many large ones left, and the other 2 suckers are quite big. I'm going to actually take these off now because I want to see if I get them off successfully. All right, so this one here, should have taken them off a while ago, but let's see if I can get it off. Lots of roots on here. So now we're just going to pull off these little pieces to expose the roots a little bit more. Good to go, baby. Good to go. Just the brown ones I normally take off. Another big one. And let's get that 3rd one off now. That's perfect. Again, we're just picking off the bottom pieces of leaf before I replant it. All right, so we got 2 big ones and 1 smaller one. Well, you can stomp and mix a little, and then we can add more. Whoa, that's why you don't stand under a coconut tree. Do it for a little bit. Yeah. Have a look at these pineapples. Which one do you think is the biggest, and which pot do you think it should go in?
This one should go in the little one.
Okay.
And this one should go, I mean, they're all, these 2 are the same.
Yeah.
So those will go in the big one, and then this little guy, will go in there.
Okay. How's that look?
That's good.
Ooh, watch out, River. It's windy. You don't want those coconuts to fall. So the problem is that we have a tree above us full of pineapples, but it's such a nice shady spot of the property here. So I like to do my planting. It's a little bit windy. Just being careful not to get hit by a coconut. That would be terrible. Meanwhile, Connor and Cameron are working on a DIY project in the backyard. They are transforming their bunk beds into 2 loft beds to make more space in the room.
Look out, Mom, you're right under them.
Well, you know what they say, more people get killed by coconuts each year than they do by sharks. So we were real careful as we finished the project. You're gonna go spread the soil out on the mango tree for me, please. We like to give the kids small tasks to build their confidence and teach them the feeling of accomplishment. Put them in about 2 inches. There we go. 1 more to go, 2 down, 1 to go. We took a little break and headed inside to make some grilled cheese sandwiches for lunch. Finished making these beautiful sourdough bagels. This was the second time I made these and they turned out awesome. Growing up, we had fresh bagels every Sunday from an Italian bakery. And on this island, we don't have fresh bagels, so being able to prepare my own in my own kitchen is just fantastic. It's just wonderful inside. Yeah, baby. We thought it was time for a bit of movement. We pumped up our tires and off we went on an outdoor adventure, a scenic ride through our neighborhood and out to the North Sound to connect with nature. Well, friends, the time has come. We're gonna cut this down today. Not the whole thing, so don't worry. Don't lose your pants just yet. We are just going to trim it up so it's not so tall when the apples come back.
My suggestion is that we cut the whole thing down.
We're not cutting the whole thing down.
Okay.
What we need to do is we need to cut down the branches that are the smaller ones and keep in the larger branches. And then I want to cut that top bit off there so it doesn't grow up any higher.
How tall? Because last time we cut it was just, you can see the last spot we cut?
Yeah, just up there.
No.
Up at the top.
No.
See that one up there, all the way up?
Yeah, that's...
That big one going up to the top there. I want to cut that down.
It's going to be a little bit more than that because it's going to be hard to reach up to there.
No.
So I think we should cut some of the lower branches out on the lower canopy here so that we can keep getting access underneath it.
Cameron, you see any flowers or anything up in there?
Yeah.
You got to watch now because there's some sharp little branches that I cut from last time.
No, I don't see anything.
My husband always tries to get to cut like so much, and so I have to be here when he does it. No, that other one too is fine. It's so tiny.
Good, all done. Don't cut the next one there.
Great job, Cameron.
Yep,
Thank you for
come
your
on
help.
down.
I did all that.
Yep. Oh, right on my head. Well, there's the finished product. It doesn't look too bad. Just topped it so that it doesn't grow any taller. It just grows out. Let me know what you think if you would have done that, or if you have some other ideas of how we should have done this. I'd love to hear your beautiful comments. I love hearing them. I love hearing your comments, and I like answering them, so go ahead and
don't do
drop
that.
a comment below. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed planting pineapple suckers and pruning our Jamaican apple tree in our backyard garden. Hey, he's already talking about chopping down the Barbados cherry tree. Be sure to tune in next week, where we take you on an outdoor adventure to pristine 7 Mile Beach. Yeah. Next time you buy a pineapple at the grocery store, remember to save the top and you can start your own mini pineapple plantation. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. A like or a comment is very much appreciated. See you next week. Cheers!